Well, boys and girls, you've seen this ditch in the past from yours truly, as I've cleaned it up and ridden it, and the new basically additions to it is the city, or whoever, probably the city, repaired the screwed up area. So basically, got a brand new, making it so much cool and rideable once it's dry. It's just absolutely awesome. They've patched up the bottom there. As you can see, there's no more giant hole. And they've repaired that side over there. So in the future, this, particularly when it's dry, is going to be back to what was called four corners. Four corners, hence the four embankments. They filled in the hole there, put new grass, or, basically going to new grass and everything on this. So this is really, really awesome. So I will have another fun toy by my house. I can actually skate to this, should I choose to. It's rare that I do anymore, but I can. It's fun, actually, a nice skate. Once they get some construction done that they're working on by my house, which will be done sometime soon, they'll fix the sidewalk and it will get cool. Nice, everything. There's a box. Oh, poor muskrat. He was swimming in there one time. He won't be able to swim in here. Sorry, muskrat. It's skating. It's for skate rats. Oh, this is so awesome. Look at that wonderfulness. Oh, this is so cool. Unfortunately, I don't think they really repaired much beyond this. I'm trying not to slip and fall. They basically, it was sleet earlier. Shite! Sleet earlier today. And I doubt they repaired the one hole up here. There's only one little hole you have to pay attention to and watch out for up here. And I am like drawing a blank on where it's even at. Huh. That's weird. Very, very cool, folks. I have a wonderful life that has a tendency to flow to me, no matter how much anybody tries to mess with it. Karma takes care of me. Always has. More shit I get thrown at me, the more I prosper. It's weird. So when things start going really, really well, that's when I start getting worried.